Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling an annoying issue with the GE Opal Ice Maker. It's the dreaded squealing noise. Yesterday I noticed my machine started making a squealing noise, and if your ice maker is making this high-pitched sound every time it's running, don't worry. I'm going to show you how I fixed mine and give it a good cleaning to keep it running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, let's pinpoint where the squealing noise was coming from. I identified it coming from this back area of the unit, and it's usually related to the fan on the motor. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate inside, causing friction, which leads to the annoying sounds. So we're going to open up the back of the panel. I've already removed the screws, but for safety, what you want to do first is unplug the unit. Okay, we have it unplugged. Always make sure you unplug the appliance before you start any maintenance or cleaning. Safety first. So we have it unplugged. Okay, now what you're going to do is remove the screws from the back of the unit. I've already removed them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to go ahead and remove that. And then you're going to go ahead and remove the back panel. Okay, now that we have the back panel removed, we're going to want to clean the dust from the back of here. Be very careful. These fins on this coil are extremely delicate. If you barely touch them, they'll move. You can do this with a vacuum, but what I did was I took the whole unit out to my shop. I used compressed air and I cleaned off all of the dust that was accumulated on this coil, the motor, the fan blades of the motor, and there's another fan up here. Now I identified where the squealing noise was coming from on my unit, and it was coming from this small fan blade right here. Right here was squealing. So what I ended up doing is I took a little bit of WD-40 and I sprayed it right there. Don't hit it a lot, just a little bit right there and right there. And I went ahead and put it back together and it did the trick. Just as a reminder, be very gentle when cleaning around the fan and the coil, as you don't want to damage any of those components. I ended up damaging some of my fins, and they move very easy. So be very careful when you're using the compressed air. Now that everything's clean, we're going to carefully reassemble the ice maker and make sure all the parts are secure in place before switching the power back on. All right, we've cleaned it up. Let's plug it back in and turn it on and see if that squealing noise is gone. And just like that, no more squealing. The ice maker is running as smooth as ever. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you get rid of that squealing noise and clean your GE Opal ice maker, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful DIY tips. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time, and keep those ice cubes coming.